Man, listen, y'all. All right, I'm coming at y'all with a nervous and kind of heavy heart today. This is Kareem, the T-shirt professor. Listen, this is something that you could never expect actually happened. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was getting ready to work on my T-shirt order for the school, and out of freaking nowhere, I got my heat press plugged up, and I got my vinyl cutter going, while the heat press is heating up. Then all of a sudden, I hear like this popping sound, like poof. You know what I mean? And it came from the heat press machine. And then I started smelling like this smoke, and I'm like, well, what the heck is going on? Long story short, I go to look at because at this point the heat press was like at 350, and it had heated up, and so I started to look at it, and it said 350. Then I look back at it, and it say 347. I'm like, wait, what's going on? Then a couple seconds go by later, it go to 340, then 339. So it started going down. Like the heat started, you know what I'm saying, decreasing. So I'm like, what the heck is going on? Man, my freaking daggone heat press it blew a circuit or something, because I followed the smell, and I saw where the little explosion thing happened, because it was a little spark. And so I'm like, hold up, man, what's going on? So anyway, this is what it looked like. So as you can see, this is my heat press machine. All right, and I unplugged everything. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to see about MacGyvering it. You know what I mean? Because I definitely need to get this up, because I definitely don't got time to get another heat press machine sent to me. And so something got to give. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what I think happened. This is a little relay, and look at that. You see that? You see that right there? That joint just straight went up in flames, like out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what happened. Now, luckily, I got a nice little manual machine, whereas though it don't take much to get to the components or whatever. So, but I'm like, well, what in the heck could have caused it? And so upon further inspection, like I said, I saw this little scorch mark right here. And so, I detached the wire, like this little wire. Where's that wire at? Yeah, this right here, like it had this part like got scorched or whatever, and I had to go to I freaking had to go to daggone Home Depot to get another fork connector, get a fork connector and some wire strippers. All right, so I had to get my little electrician on me. I tell you what, man, Google's or YouTube is a big help, because it showed me how to do that. I'm not an electrician by trade, but I tell you what, man, like, I'm definitely trying to get this thing back working, and do what I can do. So what I did was I ordered another one of these. This is called a solid state relay. And so apparently, and so I basically processed I did everything by process of elimination. I didn't see where no other cores were scorched or anything like that. No other wires. So everything led me to this right here, and the fact that the wire previous to this one was all broken, and the copper wires were basically pretty much blown apart. So I spliced it, or I cut the protective coating off or whatever, and then kind of did the little MacGyver method or whatever. But anyway, and when I realized that it didn't work when I tried to plug it up again, that's when upon further inspection, I realized that, okay, this joint is done for. So I went online. To Amazon. So I went online to Amazon, and I went ahead and ordered a new relay. one of them little boxes that you just saw. I went ahead and ordered one. I rushed that bad boy, so it's supposed to be here today. So hopefully, man, I can get that joint working. So where I don't have to get another daggone machine, because I don't have time to be able to go ahead and get another machine sitting here on the fly like that. So I'm going to try the lowest level thing possible first, which is replace that relay and see if that'll make my machine heat back up. Other than that, man, I don't know, man. I don't know what I could do. I done already got paid for the, I done already got paid for the job, but done already got the materials and everything. So I don't know, man. We just gonna have to see how this whole thing works. But yeah, that's a real crazy situation. So I mean, just go to show you guys. I mean, anything could happen. Nothing is safe. I mean, when you're dealing with machines and you're dealing with stuff that was made by men or made by man-made, something can always go wrong, and at the least freaking expected time. You know what I mean? Like at the worst possible time, man. But I'm gonna try to keep I'm gonna keep a positive attitude about this, man, and we're going to definitely try to see what happens. So I'll be keeping you guys up to date as to what happened, whether I whether I gotta freaking refund the money or just eat the whole cost or whatever, man. So I'll let you guys know what's up, man. All right, peace out.